In the previous video, we have looked at the 38.2 level, exactly the 99,000 US dollars, which perfectly lined up with the 50 moving average exactly here. And we can also see that this upward sloping trend where the price movement fell above, that this was a perfect support because we had it lining up with a 100 moving average all the way up here, and I told you once we're going to come back above this trend line that we could expect a major move. Yes, Bitcoin reached a new all-time high and we could expect this continuation even higher. So we're going to look at the price movement of Bitcoin, the price targets, and we're going to look at Ethereum and what is going to happen with the altcoins, because ultimately guys, I do expect a major breakout towards the upside, and we've been trading this major breakout because we saw this move on Stacks, open this trade exactly here, and also on Link, and we're already in some massive profits, and we're going to take this trade all the way up. So if you want to copy all of my trades, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group where you'll find all the information how to copy all of these trades, because we are in some long-term swing trades on Sui, Ondo, Ethereum, and yes, we scaled up the Ethereum trade. So we're going to look at all of these coins and we're going to find out what is going to be the next price target for Bitcoin. So if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe. And now let's directly start with today's content. And welcome back to B for Crypto. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to be subscribed, because ultimately we got this major breakout towards the upside exactly here. And yes, we had a full moon once again yesterday on this weekly close. This was a bullish weekly close, and yes, we could have anticipated this major move towards the upside, because if you're subscribed to my channel, you know exactly that each and every full moon we're getting this bullish move towards the upside. We can take it all the way back where I told you exactly from this major consolidation range that this move towards the upside paired with a full moon is going to catch a lot of people off guard, and yes, we were absolutely right. And in the previous video we've looked at the price movement of Bitcoin, because yes, we saw this perfect breakout on the 4-hour chart when the price movement came all the way to the levels of 91,000 US dollars. We formed the symmetrical triangle. We looked at the price target and it perfectly reached the price target. Then we saw this consolidation, formed once again a symmetrical triangle, and I told you that the next price target is going to be all the way up here. Yes, we didn't perfectly reach the price target, but this was close to the price target. So if you took this trade all the way from the breakout point, you would have been in some major profits. We saw the next consolidation all the way here, and we broke this level towards downside, this important trend line, and I told you once we're going to form this double bottom, come back above this trend, that we could expect this next major breakout. And yes, we even formed another symmetrical triangle exactly here. We even had a perfect retest perfectly on the 102,000 US dollars on the symmetrical triangle, and we came all the way back down. So some volatility in the market, but perfectly so this major retest of the 13 moving average, or close to the 13 moving average, round about the 103,000 US dollars. So yes guys, this perfectly worked out as a retracement level, the 38.2, exactly as predicted, and that's why we opened this trade on Stacks exactly on this breakout on Bitcoin, because yes, Stacks is building on the Bitcoin network, and we could expect if Bitcoin sees a major push towards the upside that Stacks is going to follow. Yes, we opened this trade exactly here where we saw this consolidation and we perfectly hit our take profit round about these levels. Now once again we are seeing a perfect consolidation, a double bottom on the 4-hour chart with a higher low exactly here, and that's why we opened exactly on the break of this major W formation, and the breakout target from this W is going to be all the way down to the swing low. I'm not going to include this wick, I'm just going to take a conservative price target all the way to this low, and we're going to drag it over to the breakout point exactly here, and this perfectly lines up with the previous high for Stacks. So ultimately guys, if we're going to see this continuation for Bitcoin, we're going to hit our take profit all the way at the levels of $3 for Stacks, and yes, this is going to be a 200% profit all the way from our entry. So what are you waiting for? If you want to copy all of these trades, and we're also in this next trade on Link, which I posted a few minutes ago, and we are already in some massive profits of 11%, but ultimately we could expect this major breakout and this continuation even higher. Yes, this is just a scalp trade, but guys, the overall crypto market is ready to explode. If we're going to go on the hourly bubbles, we can see that the overall crypto market is waking up. CRV went up 4.4%, Stacks 1.3%, and Link 2.6% only in the previous hour. So ultimately guys, you're still getting a discount on all of these coins because yes, we saw this consolidation for the altcoins, but before we're going to find out when Ethereum and all these altcoins are going to see a major move towards the upside, we're going to look at the price movement of Bitcoin to find out what is going to be our next price target in the immediate chart term. And for that, we're going to take the Fibonacci retracement levels, take it all the way from the swing high all the way to the swing low, which is going to be all the way down here at this major liquidation wick, because we saw that the price movement after it reached its previous all-time high, so a major liquidation wick towards the downside. This marks our low, so we're going to take it from the high all the way to the low, and we're going to look at the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is all the way at the levels of 112,000 US dollars. So exactly this level is going to be our price target according to the Fibonacci extension levels, and we're going to look at the price target from the symmetrical triangle that we have been forming, drag it over to the potential breakout point or to the breakout point, and then we once again can see that the target from the symmetrical triangle, from the height all the way to the lowest point from this major trend line, is all the way at the levels of 112,000 US dollars. So approximately this zone in between the 111 and 112,000 US dollars is going to be our price target if we're going to see this continuation. But guys, we could also expect a lot of volatility, maybe even the price dumps all the way back down like we saw in this liquidation wick a few days ago and comes all the way back down to the 50 moving average or even to the 100 moving average. But ultimately guys, it doesn't matter if we're going to see this major volatility, the ultimate trajectory is clear. This is the beginning of a major parabolic run, not only for Bitcoin, but especially for the altcoins. So let's go over to Ethereum, because Ethereum is going to see a major move and then all these small cap coins are going to follow. Yes guys, Ethereum is still lagging behind, because ultimately the previous all-time high for Ethereum is all the way at the levels of 4,800 US dollars, and we can see that we are in this major zone. Yes, we formed a high exactly here round about the levels of $4,000, got this rejection, saw this consolidation not only for Ethereum but some of these altcoins, saw a major dip towards the downside. But ultimately guys, this is just a retest from this major breakout zone that we can see exactly here. And once we're going to break out from this massive cup and handle, Ethereum is going to break its previous all-time high, and then we're going to be in price discovery mode. Yes guys, I do expect that Ethereum is going to reach the price levels of 10,000 US dollars within this bull market, or even all the way to the levels of 15 or even 17,000 US dollars. Yes, I made a dedicated video on Ethereum, so guys, make sure to be subscribed. And if you want to trade all of these moves on BloFin, where you receive a major deposit bonus, make sure to watch my tutorial on how to trade on BloFin. And if you want to invest in meme coins, guys, this is my highest conviction, which I'm investing through this bull market. And why? You need to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to show you what you need to know about the altcoin. And ultimately guys, this is only going to be the beginning of a major altcoin season, because we can see that the Bitcoin dominance, which gives us indication how much percentage is invested in Bitcoin, has formed a lower high exactly here. And if we're going to get this continuation all the way back down and this rediversification from Bitcoin into altcoins, especially coins like Ethereum, Solana, and also the small cap coins, we could expect this major altcoin season, because ultimately guys, we can see that Ethereum didn't break out yet from this major cup and handle, but we can see, like for instance, that the fractal is repeating. We can see that gold already broke out from this major trend. The S&P 500 already broke out from this major cup and handle. Bitcoin broke out from this major cup and handle. The altcoin market cap already broke out from this cup and handle, but we didn't see a major push yet. We are just all the way at the previous highs exactly here. but ultimately guys, we can see the trajectory and that all these coins, especially Ethereum, being the leading altcoin, is going to see this major breakout and the altcoin market cap is going to continue. This means that all of these coins on the daily chart are going to see a major push towards the upside. So use this discount and buy all of these coins, because guys, the altcoin season is about to start. And if you thought that this move towards the upside on the weekly chart or even on the monthly chart was a major move towards the upside, guys, we could expect double or even triple digit returns in the coming weeks, because if we're going to go over to BloFin, yes, we can see that Link is ready to see a major push towards the upside on the daily chart. Guys, I do expect that Link is going to see a major push at least to the $100 level, all the way from the levels that we are at the moment at round about $29 or close to 30. This is going to be a major move all the way from the current price movement all the way to the $100 level. This is going to be a 200% move in the immediate short term. Yes, I'm talking about the next 1 or even 2 months. And this is not even going to be the ultimate height, because yes, I've talked about the price targets from all of these altcoins exactly within this video. And if you always want to stay up to date what is happening in the crypto market, join my free Telegram group. But ultimately, I could expect that Bitcoin is going to break out from this previous all-time high, and that we're once again going to be in this major continuation and this up only move, and the next price target of Bitcoin round about the 112,000 US dollars is going to be imminent within the next 12 hours. So ultimately guys, now's the time to accumulate not only Bitcoin but all of these altcoins that are still lagging behind. Be for crypto, buy now before we could expect this major breakout and the beginning of this major parabolic phase. Be subscribed, and we see each other in the next video.